Tacos, tacos, tacos. Who wants some tacos today? Hello everyone, how are you today and welcome to Let's Cook It. In this episode today I'm going to show you my version of how to make breakfast tacos. And I'm going to start with the ground beef, and I'm using medium ground beef here, and I'm going to make it close to chorizo style. So stove on the medium, and if you notice I'm not putting any oil because I'm using medium ground beef. I have smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. I'm trying to make it close to chorizo. Now let's cook everything together. When they're almost ready, I'm just gonna add a little bit salt, a store-bought mild salsa, and you're gonna keep cooking till everything's blend together nicely. Let it cook for another minute or so. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna chop everything before I start with the tortilla flour. So I have iceberg lettuce here. We're gonna slice it very thin, or shredded iceberg lettuce. And I have some Monterey Jack cheese. I'm gonna shred it. And this one is the jalapeno flavor as well. So if you find it too much jalapeno, you can get the cheese with no jalapeno flavor. But to me, this is perfect for the taco we're making. Turn off, and the meat perfect and good to go. Now let's continue preparing. I need to have the avocado ready as well. Lovely. Lime. I need few wedges. Now let's start with the egg. So stove on the medium. Gonna whisk the eggs. Little bit of vegetable oil. Egg in. And let's make it round shape a little bit. Perfect. So on a medium low will be good. Eggs almost ready. Little tiny bit salt and pepper. The shredded Monterey Jack cheese. A flour tortilla. Give it a little push. And let's flip it to the other side. Every 15-20 seconds, take a little quick peek under. It's your food. You can do whatever you want with it. And when you see it golden brown, it's good to go. And look how they look like. Beautiful, nice and crispy. Give it a little push in the middle just to take a shape. Now let's dress them up, and look at that beautiful hamburger meat we make chorizo style. And the third one. Lovely. Now I'm gonna put some of the avocado. Little bit shredded iceberg. Shredded cheddar cheese, some cilantro, little squeeze of lime. Looks so yummy. And the moment of the truth. Wow, the best breakfast taco I ever had. So now it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.